Hey guys, this is your girl Phoenix back again, and I am so excited about this wig remix that I did. I'm calling this a reverse e-girl. Typically with the e-girl you have the two strips in the middle that are a punk color, and the rest of the hair is dark. But I wanted to do something really fun and exciting, and I love this look, you guys. So I used that same Beauty Forever wig that I showed you guys the plucking and wet look tutorial, and I bleached it using Swatchcloth Professional Blonde Me and the coordinating developer. And this hair, it lifted so well. Like, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, it was smoking. I'm gonna put a clip in. It was it was smoking. I was scared. I was so scared. Like, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. It's terrible. But it turned out beautiful. Like, it still has its curl. The hair is still healthy. It's not tangling. Like, it's good, y'all. It's good. Good hair. Beauty Forever. Yes. So worth the money. Can't believe I got this on Amazon for like $200 and some odd. But yeah, of the frontal, like the 6x6 part. I put a few little highlights in there, but the whole 6x6 part, for the most part, I bleached, with the exception of my front area. And it took so good. Like, I love. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be remixing this wig. This is a Beauty Forever 24-inch Malaysian curly. So I already separated it out into sections. Hopefully you guys can see everything. I'm working at a weird angle here. But the whole back of the unit, literally from where the frontal stops back, I braided. The front of the unit, I have in these little buns. Those are the areas that I'm going to be coloring, and then I'm leaving this out for black in the front. So I wanted to do something that was completely different, nobody else was doing. Now you see why I put that cardboard on the floor. Protect my carpet. Alright y'all, so I just wanted y'all to see this before I got to rinsing. This hair is smoking. So we're gonna see what it is hot. And this is what I'm using. At this point, I think it's important to note that I put Vaseline all over the frontal before I started. So that way I wouldn't stain the lace of the frontal. So yeah, that's why I'm able to kind of slather it on and smooth it all over the place. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. This is the finished product and I absolutely love it. This is the hair dry after doing the wet look. It's just amazing. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this.